Welcome to Jamaica Farms. We grow everything that Jamaicans like. We are at 18995 Orange Avenue in Fort Pierce. 678-458-6257. Everything that Jamaicans like.
So I'm going to get some mango. Buy that shit and give me please. Mommy, you want your dashing? Get a dashing for yourself. So, this. And this.
Nice,
Let me see.
I'm pretty. I got the mango
This
there
tree called Red Gal
from St. Elizabeth.
from St. Elizabeth.
They're nice and pretty. When you buy
Red
tonight,
girl.
you don't surrender.
You need to get to that palm tree if you don't want in the door.
Yeah, man, what did you out? You're not dead, no?
First I hear that kind of mango, Red Gal.
Boy,
Boy, the first I hear some mango name since I came here. Never heard a mango name before.
Yeah.
What the name of the mango you have again? What the name?
That one? Red girl?
No, all the mango tree you have.
Ah, shoot, we have almost 300 mangoes.
So you have Julie,
Yes,
East
that is,
Indian,
yes.
Blackie,
Yes. Millie, Sweetie Come Brush Me, Nelson, Graham, Number 11, Bambia,
Beef mango.
Long Mango, our Manchester Long Mango, St. Mary type Long Mango. Plus all volley powders you'll never hear of.
boy, when I'm here from in Jamaica, I first may hear all these kind of mango name.
But those in Jamaica,
I never know
the
them.
Nelsons that are here, they actually came from Jamaica. No matter who you get it from, came from Jamaica. The Red Gal come from St. Elizabeth.
Never heard Red Gal mango yet.
This tree, I tell you, every guava on it, as soon as it get big, you can eat it. You know, wait for it to ripe, you know, wait for it to turn, just want it big. We have our next one down there, completely pink or red, the entire guava. The skin outside will be orange, but inside are red.
That's the same one you have inside.
It could be. I think that one's a lot redder than the one we have inside. So these now, what we do now is do the same thing. Graph all them hen, yeah. Got them too long and janky.
Yeah.
So that's all right here, so. But this is a good tree. This is called butterscotch.
Okay.
It's supposed to be nice
So
and
there's
soft.
no more ripe one on it?
No. Pick off, yeah. No more big one. Ripe on the panel. They get big too. But you have to check them very often. For some reason, the animal know when they sit long before you. Oh, yes. There's a lot of problems when you buy those things. When you buy John's Zandia, you use nothing. Everything me have here is Kabota.
Our food. The one in the Kabota though. The one over there, so.
That's a food.
Our food in the cardboard. But this is two baby that we put truck and key and so.
Yeah.
Then you have to get the load from.
It's a lot of sweet stuff.
It's not enough now. Make me learn. If you be in Jamaica, don't use a lot of fertilizer. But I learn up here, you have to use it.
Yes,
That's why I'm not getting as much food.
A big one on it.
There's a big loss this year in terms of not getting enough food. If I had fertilizer, I'd have gotten a lot more. I don't know if it's too late. chocolate pudding fruit.
Black
Black sapote.
black sapote or chocolate roots.
Chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding.
Yeah, pudding. Oh, yeah, pudding. That's for the chocolate pudding.
And this is
Yeah, these are all again.
the same banana,
No.
banana.
The honey banana stop right there.
Okay.
These are different varieties. Different varieties you're looking at here.
But you
Ban-
cassava come too good then, yeah?
Yeah, man, I get cassava big like my foot, right? That's all.
So which one of the banana is this?
No, I don't know the variety. Because
Okay.
lose the tag them. We plant the whole of them, the whole place. And that, and in no time we lose all of the tag them. So when they bear, that's the only time I know what banana. So right now I'm only differentiating between banana. Then they reaping what? Bananas nest.
When you're reaping, you have help?
Yes, oh yeah, you have to reap sweets up every day. Every day you have to be picking. So you have to have help. You have callaloo, you have to cut sometimes.
So what about the mango?
Well, the mango this season wasn't that great. So far we don't know what else we're gonna need. But this was our first
Crop?
real, yeah.
Okay.
But just by what I see, we're definitely gonna need to have people to reap. But I think all of it will sell right here. We don't even need to ship out anything. Yeah, we're gonna walk back up on that side.
My years younger. Anything look around, my one about you acre now.
Look at that going that way. And guess what? If you came here 3 weeks ago, all of this was clean. These are funny.
Honey banana. That's a honey banana right here. That one is young. This one is full. So this is called the honey banana. A banana tree here.
Then normally tell us that you should just let one alone stay in the but look here. 1, 2,
You have a
3,
lot here.
4 in the one root. And every one of them are gonna be huge.
Cassava.
Yeah, this is not gonna come to anything, but look at that. That's huge.
Yeah.
So this one is drying up,
Yeah. Like that, but let's all chop it
but
off.
it shoots.
There's another one here. Let's chop it off. What I learned is that we have to chop this down and mulch the area and fertilize.
Yeah.
You have to do what?
I'm gonna chop it down,
Mm-hmm.
mulch and fertilize.
And then the young
Okay.
one come up.
Yeah. They just don't have enough substance in the soil here.
Right. You know plant gungo peas right now?
So I'm going with peas because I never reap it. So we stop planting with peas now we can never reap it.
Too much.
Yeah. You know what that is? Yeah, man, from Portland is supposed to know that.
Alright.
Everybody from Portland is supposed to know that.
And a rose apple.
Yeah, rose apple.
Oh, that's a rose apple tree.
Uh-huh.
Love water side, yeah man.
Yes, I will put it right there so I hope
Rose
somebody get
apple.
water and put it under the shade. And the reason why I grew up Portland is because I grew a riverside and under
Coconuts.
tree, under other tree.
Yes.
So me say, alright, me okay back and come put you under one tree too. And when at Jamaica, I grow all the food and grow under one next tree.
Yes.
So this is the only one you have?
Now I got 2 more.
So you have a bear before?
No,
Okay.
I have 2 more under them big tree round back. Yeah, so the coconut them you know, and then down here for now some sugar cane. There's too much work they have to do. So the banana them sometimes the banana them stay on the tree and bear and drop down with the banana and we don't even reap them.
Yeah.
We don't even get around to reaping them. Because I have to keep up.
Hard for you and keep up with.
Yeah, this is flag banana. I drop down. It bear the banana them and then drop down.
So you get
So
more.
this is a persimmon. Persimmon.
These are persimmon.
Persimmon, okay. Well, you lose
Stop,
out
sir.
on me. Yes. I'm already in Orlando.
Yeah. That's not far. You could drive longer distance than that.
No, me not finish tell you. If me have, if close my day in the boat.
Yeah, come on, go give me a hand.
Yeah, man, come on, I turn the close, some of them keep on reach and turn some of them tree and clear them out. You know where I
Look
go.
at them.
Yeah.
Some of the tree them, let me say lower, I mean very. Them a fall off one by one though. But that's the nature of this type of tree. So I think I'm gonna have to fertilize them because a lot of them falling off. I didn't fertilize them. Look at the, and look how them plentiful. Strong wind come.
So when will these be ready?
These are normally about November.
Okay.
It's a bitter. They're not ready yet though, but it's not bitter. And no astringent. It's nice. So, these are
Jelly. Are they sweet? They're sweet?
no, this one is a smaller. Yeah, it's a 6,000. Oh, it's a Kubota. Yeah. Don't do a little one. I want to drink and all. Yeah.
So you want to chop jelly right now.
My grandmother was the first one. Yeah, the first time they have a long conversation, my grandmother was the first one they had, the first ever in Korea. Yeah, that's back in the 1930s.
That one is empty, guys.
It's a one of the new good. You can't drink it.
I go to Korea all the time. But I was I lived in Finland. Radio, turning chemicals.
Good.
So tell me how it tastes.
What about this in the car?
Yeah. Want to put glasses too? No.
Put your glasses down.
Sweet?
Not the other way.
You can answer?
Yes, it's good.
Okay. taste it now. Come like sugar.
Yes.
This is really nice.
And
Yeah,
cool.
the meat in it.
Yes, have a lot of water, and then it's small.
This is really good.
You can't done, man.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So now you need the meat.
Yes. Can you chop this one, please? I'm sorry to bother you.
It's not a bother.
Because you sit down enjoying this coconut.
Let us see your spoon. That is spoon.
Your coconut spoon. You see, that's good. It's a little bit, not that on the soft side, but it should taste good.
Still sweet.
Nothing like a nice drink of coconut water. Washed off